Hi, and welcome to the Planet Reef Astro channel. We're here with Evans from Pegasus Astro at 2024 NEAF in Rockland, New York. So, Evans, we've spoken before. I own quite a few of your products, and I wanted to know, what do you have that's new for this year, that's new and exciting? I heard some buzzwords going around.
Well, I believe the most innovative thing now in the market is the smart eyepiece we have now. It is the first digital eyepiece that combines a full working astro camera, and it projects the image through a computer. The computer can align, stack, do noise reduction, beautify the image, and projects the image in color with through a very nice eyepiece, a 4K eyepiece, just like the Apple VR glasses uses. So the feeling is amazing. It's just like you hover your eye through an optic 24 eyepiece.
So it does the live stacking in the camera. And what kind of sensor does it use?
It has the IMX533 color, and has a computer inside with a GPU, and the GPU continuously acquires the images and stacking, aligning, rejects any problematic frames. And when you it stacks the image, and it beautifies it, and you can see the image through the eyepiece in color. This is the amazing part. In 1 second, with a small refractor, a 72mm refractor, you can see things that you would need a 30-inch Dobsonian.
Wow!
In color, you can see amazing things that you would need a very large aperture.
So this would be great for outreach and electronically assisted astronomy.
Yeah, and schools, groups, because the device not only displays the image, but it can also continuously share the image. It has a Wi-Fi hotspot, so you can connect your mobile phone with High Safari to the Wi-Fi hotspot, and it can share to everybody the image that you are looking through the eyepiece in real time.
And does it have the ability to download the FITS files
Absolutely.
or the RAW files from it?
Absolutely. It has a double role, so it is also a CMOS modern astro camera, so you can have the option to orchestrate your FITS via sequencer in Sky Safari, and then you can download the FITS from the SD card and process them in PixInsight or whatever software you need.
And what is the price point for this eyepiece?
It's going to be close to 1.5K, and the device is going to be ready during this Christmas.
So you heard that. Put that on your Christmas list for this year. It's only 1,500, but the views will probably be amazing, as well as everything else that I've gotten from Pegasus Astro. All just works, and I also appreciate your customer service, which I had a problem.
It's our first priority, one of our first priorities, and we have a dedicated team for customer support. They're very professional. All of them are astrophotographers. They are very technical, so they can guide any fellow to.
Now, what about your Ultimate Power Box version 3? I know that last year you had it, but it wasn't available yet.
Now it is fully available, and it is our workhorse. You can power everything you need. It has 8 USB ports. It has nearly 10 12-volt power ports. It has a stepper controller inside to control your focuser. It has a relay to if you have something in your observatory you want to switch it on and off. It has an environmental control that can automatically tune your dew heaters. Up to 3 dew heaters you can plug in. It's wireless also.
Now, you did away with the temperature, the outside temperature sensor, or can it still use
There is a temperature sensor inside, but also it can accept an external temperature. So a humidity sensor, so you can plug it and have also an external temperature sensor.
Now, when you log into this through the Wi-Fi, you're controlling the box. You're not actually controlling.
You are controlling the box and the motor, not the computer. It doesn't have a computer.
Got it.
The thing that you can do with this box, that you pay for this box, it's one of payment, and then you can stack it with any modern computer, an Intel NUC, another PC. So you don't pay the PC. Also, if you don't like the small computer, you just drop it after 1 and 2 years and buy a better one.
Right.
So you are not get limited from the hardware.
Yeah, I have the ultimate power box too, and that's how I use it with a small mini computer. If the computer goes out, I just
Exactly. If you
throw
need
another
better
one on.
memory, higher, bigger memory, if you need an i7, a better 99, whatever you want, you can buy a better computer and modify it per your specifications. And after 1, 2 years, you can just drop it and get a better one.
Now you also have a new mounting system that I saw for wire management.
Yeah,
which
we
is
call
always a
it
problem.
the spider.
The
It's
spider.
here if you want to see it.
Okay,
It's this one.
let's take a look at it. So here we have the Spider, which is a cable management system from Pegasus Astro. And what it basically does is that it allows you to clamp and route your wires from the Pegasus Astro box and your computer to get them out of the way so that there's no spindly spaghetti mess coming down. And
It's not only that. We have seen cases that customers they do a meridian flip or they forget
Right.
the mount, and the mount
and it stacks.
yeah, it stacks and the cable might damage the socket. So this protects all of your equipment from cable damage or socket damage.
Now, can this be installed on a regular Lost Bandy or Vixen rail?
Yes, yes.
Not just
Yes,
proprietary.
it's a VESA mount. Also,
VESA.
you can plug it in a vessels.
Now, I heard that you're coming out with a smaller version of
Yes,
your mount.
yes. Just a minute. It's
Wow.
this one. It's
Wow.
the new Nix 88,
That is
and
tiny.
it's the smaller brother of the 100.
That's right.
It can lift up to 15 kilo, which is 30 pounds, I believe.
Without a
Without
counterweight.
counterweight, it's very light.
Okay, and with a
it's-
counterweight?
With counterweight, can lift 6 kilo more. 6 kilos. This means 20 kilos, 21 kilos.
In pounds, that would be, because I can't. do
Pounds,
that.
40 pounds.
40 pounds.
40
Oh, that's-
pounds. Yeah. It's
that
it's
is-
very small but very powerful.
I can see
It also has Wi-Fi.
it. Wow. Okay.
You can control it through Ascom Alpaca, through Ascom, through Indy, through Sky Safari, and we also have our tripod, the carbon tripod,
carbon
which you can
tripod.
plug the mount. So this one can lift 50, without counterweight 30 pounds. This 40 pounds.
Wow.
New one.
Now, you did away with the inputs at the back.
Yeah,
Because the same
because
space.
we don't have space. They want to make it as small
light
as possible.
that.
So everything is
Can I-
here.
Can I
Yeah,
feel
it's-
that? Wow. Even I can lift this, and I can't lift anything heavy anymore.
It's aluminum aircraft grade.
Wow.
Very strong, very light. The weight has to do with the harmonic, which are from steel.
Okay.
So
Right,
most
yeah,
of
that's
the
where all
weight
the weight
comes from the harmonic gears.
Wow. And when will this be out in the market?
In a couple of months at
Okay.
maximum.
And the price point on this is looking at?
Should be a very good price. 1.6, 1.6.
Okay.
It's perfect for portability,
Right.
and it is very small, and still can lift a very high payload
Right.
compared to its size and its weight.
Wow. This would be perfect for an astronomer or astrophotographer like me that can't lift anything heavy due to an injury, just wants to have a travel scope that they can just pick up and go. Very compact. I really love the color scheme. The blue color scheme is amazing, and I'm looking forward to it when this comes out.
It's very
Hopefully,
nice.
maybe I can try one out because that's beautiful. That would serve a lot of people for both astrophotography and visual. What is the typical periodic error on this? The guiding.
Usually, all these mounts have 20 arc seconds peak to peak.
Right.
The harmonic does that, but this is not a problem because it's a very even curve, and with 1 second of exposures, you can have pretty much 0.4, 0.5
Wow.
at max arc second guiding.
Wow. Well, you heard it here, folks. PegasusAstro.com. Visit them. Go to your local retailer when the stuff is out on the market, or even before then, and put your pre-orders in. It was a pleasure to talk to you, Evans.
Thank you very
Pleasure
much.
to meet you again
Thank
in
you.
person. Please come to the planetreefastro.com print store, and also to like and subscribe this if you are interested in this kind of equipment. Pegasus Astro is one of the most easy to deal with companies I have ever had the pleasure of dealing with, and hope to look to doing more stuff in the future. And that's a wrap.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
Thank you.